Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and this is week 3, and I am working in zone 1 today of my one and done weekly zone cleaning routine. If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up. Okay, guys, I'm actually feeling a little tired, so I'm going to eat some lunch. It's like 1:30, and I'm going to take my vitamins and drink my water, and I actually think I'm going to take a nap. Did I already say that? I don't know. I think I'm going to take a nap. Doesn't matter. I'm not going anywhere today. So I can finish it later, and that's what I'm going to do, and maybe take a nap with Cow. She wants some of my chicken. Looks like it's gonna rain. And I didn't walk this morning. Shoot. I don't know if I'm gonna get a walk in tonight. Oh my God, y'all, it's getting crazy outside. This must be a bad storm coming. Okay, guys, let's finish it. I'm done. So I've been sitting here thinking I was done for the day and editing my video for you so I can have it up tonight. I'm behind. I was trying to get ahead, but I'm not. So anyway, so I'm sitting here thinking, I didn't vacuum today. I didn't vacuum, and I was supposed to vacuum all the carpets in zone 2 too, because since I had the vacuum out, yeah, I totally forgot to do that. I was just not feeling it today. And you know what? So what did I learn? I learned that I cannot do zone cleaning 2 days in a row. So I should have waited till tomorrow, but I didn't want to because it's the weekend. Oh, well, you know, it doesn't matter at this point because we're staying home anyway. But I wanted to get in the habit of not being cleaning on those Fridays. But to tell you the truth, on Fridays, hubby's likes time to himself. So it would probably be okay. So tomorrow I will vacuum and put away those groceries from the Target haul that I didn't put away. So, and y'all know on the days that I'm not zone cleaning, I am doing daily cleaning. Yeah. You know, does the 5 things, I think. What is it? Make the bed, wipe the bathroom sink, dishes and counters, straighten the whole house, and laundry. So, but that takes like, today I think that was 45 minutes it took me to do that. Well, partly because part of that was the bed, which ended up being making the bed and cleaning the bathroom. I didn't have to, whatever, it was part of the zone cleaning today. So I kind of did it a little bit backwards today and started in the kitchen. Anyway, so usually I start in the bedroom. So what did I want to say? So I learned something. So I'm still tweaking this. So I can't do zone cleaning. And I think I learned that the first week. I tried to do it. I don't remember. Maybe it was this. Yes. It was not last week. Yeah, this second week, because I didn't do it that day. I did it this day. And that zone cleaning I did this day, so that was 2 days in a row, and that tuckered me out. I can't do it 2 days in a row. So we either have to skip it or do it the next day. And anyway. anyway, so that's that. So yeah, so let's see. So for today, and I didn't do any, so this is week 3. So for today, I didn't do any extras because I didn't feel like it. I was supposed to wash those curtains in the bedroom, but I didn't. So I did the jelly chores. I didn't, I'll just put a asterisk here. I didn't vacuum, but I dusted and I didn't mop because I didn't need to, because I did whatever. I should put a star here because that's what I did. Who cares? So I'm going to I got the light shining behind me. Sorry for the shadowing. It's getting dark in here because it's fixing the storm. So I'm going to maybe declutter this weekend. Maybe tomorrow while hubby's chilling out, having some time to himself, probably gaming. Anyway, and I'll declutter something and have a decluttering video for you within the next couple of days. So anyway, so that's that. So, I mean, not a fail. The house is clean, whatever. I still have that little bit of laundry to do, and I will do that here in a minute. So, all right. So next week, I'm thinking I might do, I noticed when I was cleaning today that the light fixtures needed done. So maybe I'll make a point, since this week was, well, part of last week was the curtains. I still have the curtains in the master bedroom to do beside the bedside table. So maybe next week I will do the light fixtures in the bathrooms, really. Well, I guess in the kitchen. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just not feeling it today. So, all right. So next week, 3 zones, starting in the dining room area, and then the kitchen again, and then back to the bedroom. So 3 zones. So I have to stick to my schedule here, because what did I learn today? I can't do 2 zone cleaning days in a row. Yeah. Oh, and I think, did I say that? I wasn't going to wash the sheets today. I don't know. I think I deleted that little. I was very chatty today, and I had to cut it down. So I cut out a bunch of the chatting, but I wasn't going to wash my sheets or change the sheets today. But then I changed my mind and decided to change the sheets, and then and take out a set out of the closet, the linen closet, and put it on there and wash the other ones and fold them eventually. Probably tomorrow. So, all right, that's it. I'm going to exit out by folding this thing of laundry and watching the storm. If I have some cool footage of the storm, I will add it to you. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day. Oh, hear rain. I hear rain.